maybe we should just start on that note. How has the market reacted to those Access Bank numbers?
Yes, just a moment ago, Access Bank came with its audited half-year result, showing a very great, a great improvement on the last year figure. And like you know, this result is the first consolidated audited result. You will say after the merger with Intercontinental Bank. But that notwithstanding, the result is still a great improvement on what we have last year. Half-year profit after tax of 26.5 billion as against 8.08 billion for last year. That's more like ×3 the figure of last year. And the bank is also paying an interim dividend of 25 kobo to its shareholders. That 25 figure, I believe, is ahead of market expectation. Considering what GTB did. You remember about a week ago, GTB also declared a dividend of 25 kobo.
That's interim. Right. But how's the market taking that number? I can see the share price is up slightly.
Before the results came out, Access Bank was trading down slightly. Trading at about 8 naira 30 kobo. But now it's gone to as high as 860. So the market is reacting positively to the result. Bearing in mind that this is just brokers that are aware of this result,
right.
We should expect much reaction as time goes on, because people will get in touch with outsiders, and more others might come either way of either side of the stock.
You're absolutely right. Analysts will be looking at that.
At the moment, the stock is doing pretty well on good volume.
Okay, fantastic.
By 14 billion at this moment.
All right, but look, what about the broader market? We know it came down a little bit, about 2/3%. How is the broader market seems to be?
The broader market seems to be witnessing a bit of profit taking. This morning, most of the banks were trading down. The banks like First Bank, Diamond Bank, Sky Bank, they were all trading down. Even Zenith Bank, they were all trading down this morning. But like I said, it's just profit taking, and the way I see the market is still well supported. But you can't prevent people from taking profit for somebody who has made good return. You know that the market has been on a good bull run for the past throughout this quarter since beginning of July. So to me that will continue after this brief setback. I don't expect it to last.
Very quickly, any interesting trades for you? You did mention that the market is adjusting a little bit after a very strong rally we've seen over the last 2 weeks. So your thoughts on where we go from here and interesting trades going forward?
For me, I will just hold on 1 or 2 days. But after that, I don't see markets going back to where we were before. So any dip in the market now is an opportunity for people with money to come in. People who miss the rally, it's an opportunity for them to come in after 1 or 2 days drop. That is if he ended up closing down today, because the way he's trading is not. It doesn't seem that the profit taking will be very deep. So he might even rally back towards the end of closing today. But if he sustains if the profit taking lasts for the rest of the day, I bet that by tomorrow you could see people coming back into the market.
But which names do you think we should be looking at now? Should we be looking at the banks, for instance, and which stocks?
Yeah, banking sector is still well supported. Any dip in First Bank is an opportunity to buy. Access Bank, with this result we are seeing, it's a good stock to buy. You look at the result, at the half year, it's about 1 naira 20 kobo any per share for half year. So you expect the stock to do maybe close to 2 naira or more by the end of the year. That will be a very great result at the end of the year. And if you spend 25 kobo interim, you expect minimum of another 50-60 kobo for the full year. That would have given dividend yield of more than 10% on Access Bank. So for me, it's a top trade for today.